Teamgate versus Keap. Infusionsoft, which is best for automation and AMP. Marketing? If you're looking to compare these two powerful tools, you've probably heard a lot about each of them. But which one truly stands out when it comes to automation and marketing? Stick around, because in this video, we're diving deep into their features, pros, cons, and at the end, I'll share a better alternative that might be exactly what you're looking for. Let's start with Teamgate. This software focuses on simplicity, and its CRM is great for smaller teams or businesses just starting with automation. It offers intuitive pipeline management and solid lead tracking, but its automation capabilities, well, they're decent, but not as advanced as some might expect for a tool aimed at growing businesses. When it comes to marketing, you'll get basic email campaigns and some integrations, but that's about it. The downside is that Teamgate feels a little too basic if you're trying to scale your business with complex workflows or multi-step automation. Next, let's talk about Keap, formerly Infusionsoft. Keap is a much more established player in the automation game. It's packed with powerful features like advanced email marketing automation, workflow builders, and sales pipeline management. However, while it offers more complex automation, the user interface can feel overwhelming at times. Keap also provides CRM features, but it's definitely more geared towards larger teams or those who want deep customization. On the flip side, the price tag can be a little steep, and if you're just looking for a simple, straightforward solution, it might feel like overkill. Now, the next thing to consider is integrations. Teamgate does offer integrations, but it's nowhere near as extensive as Keap's. Keap integrates with hundreds of third-party apps, making it a solid choice for businesses that need a lot of tools to work together. Teamgate, while useful, is somewhat limited here, especially if you need integrations with niche tools. It's a simpler, more streamlined option, but the trade-off is that flexibility. The fourth thing you should keep in mind is support and customer service. Teamgate is generally known for responsive support and offers a solid knowledge base. Keap, on the other hand, has a reputation for offering solid customer support, but their pricing and complexity can sometimes make it harder to justify the time spent getting everything set up properly. There's a learning curve with Keap that can be frustrating for new users, and while their customer service is there, it might take longer to get a full resolution if you're new to the platform. The next thing is pricing. Teamgate is generally more affordable for small businesses, and you can get a solid amount of functionality for your money. Keap, however, can quickly become expensive depending on the features you need, and that's something you'll have to weigh carefully when making your decision. If you're working with a smaller budget, Teamgate may offer a better bang for your buck. So, which one should you choose between Teamgate and Keap? Both have their strengths and weaknesses, but if your focus is on advanced automation and marketing, Keap might be the better choice, as long as you're prepared for the learning curve and the cost. However, if you're just starting out or have a smaller business with basic automation needs, Teamgate might work better for you. But here's the thing, after testing both these platforms and diving deep into their features, I've found a better alternative. If you want a tool that combines automation, marketing, and ease of use without the complexity and high price tag of Keap, then you should definitely check out the free trial linked in the description below. Through our link, you'll get access to exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out. This could be exactly what you've been looking for.